The best way of studying for your school exam. This mind map shows the only thing that I really want you to know. The difference between this new method and a usual way of learning is to use voice recorder that can play rapidly, from 2 times to 3.5 times faster. Voice recorder let you master whatever you want to learn. This learning method has 3 steps. Step 1. Understanding phase. Step 2. Writing and painting phase. Step 3. Recording, listening, visualizing phase. Now let me show you each steps. Step 1. Understanding phase. Choose and focus on what you want to learn. Read the easiest book or text, or take the easiest classes. Read another book. Read another book. Read another book. Read another book till you understand deeply. Read other books in order to compare what you might already understand with what you are going to understand in those books. Step 2. Writing and painting phase. As soon as you understand profoundly, you write, draw, paint what you understand in a micro note. Make a micro note. Make a micro note. Make a micro note till you finish writing all the subjects in what you want to learn. Make a macro note. Prepare a folder for the macro and micro notes. And again till you visualize it vividly in your mind. Re-record only what you cannot memorize, play it, listen it, and visualize it. Keep on listening when you find the time to do it.
この番組は Amazon Kindle 電子書籍マインドマップをボイスレコーダーで即長記憶して勉強する方法と Amazon アフィリエイトプログラムオリンパスボイスレコーダーボイストレックの提供でお送りいたしました。